I'm back. I secured the bag, but not really because they didn't give me a bag. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to the Apple store to trade in my iPhone 11 Pro Max for the 12 Pro Max. And so here I have the 11 Pro Max in gold, 64 gigabytes, and so I'm super excited that the base models of the new iPhone 12s have 128. So if you have an iPhone 11, no, I don't think you need to upgrade. It's honestly not that much different, but I've mentioned this before that I do the upgrade program. And so basically you pay monthly and you have the option every year to just trade it in for the new one. So I'm about to go pick up my new iPhone. I'm super excited. I got the same color in gold, and I actually did notice, so I've had a screen protector on for a while. Like, I haven't taken it off in months. I took it off and realized that there are, oops, let me see if you guys can see. Probably not gonna show up on camera, but there are a few small scratches on my phone and even on this edge part. Let me see if I can show you guys. And it's so hot because I'm sitting in the car with no AC on so that you guys can hear me, but let me show you. Let me see if I can focus it. So there are some small cracks on it, and I don't think you guys can see the scratch, but I do have the Apple Care Plus and I'm doing the iPhone upgrade program. So hopefully, oh gosh, I just took the case off to trade it in, so let me dig this phone out. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take better care of this new phone, but basically you just trade in your phone for a new one and the monthly payments are the same. All I had to do was just pay the tax on the phone. Let me set this back up now. So I'm going to go get this phone right now, unbox it for you guys, show you how it goes, and hopefully I'll let you guys know if I have any problems. And so because of COVID, I did have to schedule a time to go. So I have a specific window from 4 to 4:15 p.m. I have to have my mask on. They're going to take my temperature, and so hopefully I can maybe vlog a bit of that, but I'm not sure how it's going to be. And I usually hate vlogging in public, especially on the camera, and obviously I can't use my phone because I'm trading it in. So I'll take you guys along with me and hopefully have some footage of me going into the Apple store to get my new phone. Last look at my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Bye bye iPhone, it's been real, it's been nice, time to upgrade. Also, one last look at the round edges. So the main difference is the 12s are more boxy, and so take one last look at these nice round edges and I'll see what the new one feels like in my hands. Also, the new one is bigger, so this one has a 6.5 inch screen and my 12 Pro Max is going to be 6.7. so here's what this one looks like in my hand, and I guess I'll see how the new one feels. Oh gosh, there's a line outside. Do you guys, let me park first and show you. I'm parking very crooked. Let me put this camera down. Okay, so there's the Apple store right there. And there's a line outside. So I hate vlogging in public and there's people out there, so I may not vlog when I go inside. So I'm gonna go inside and pick up my phone, then come back and let you guys see what it looks like. There's only like 3 people online right now, and I saw that they're taking their temperatures, so that's good that they're being COVID safe. Let me show you guys what my pass looks like. Okay, so they just told me a window to come. It's 4:11 right now, so I'm right in my window. I'm about to get out. They told me to bring an ID, and they did say that I will have to get my temperature taken and wear a mask. So I don't know guys, I hate vlogging in public. It looks a little bit crowded in there. It could just be the workers. I might try to bring my camera in and vlog a bit, but here's the last time I'm holding my 11 Pro Max, so I'm about to go inside. I'm back. Hey guys, so I secured the bag, but not really because they didn't give me a bag. So I have my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold, and they had a MagSafe in stock. So I ordered the one online, but I'm actually going to cancel it because they had one in stock. So I'm going to hurry up and go home and unbox these for you guys. But I was in and out in about 15 minutes. And yeah, let me go home so I can unbox these amazing new products for you guys. Why did I just reach for my phone to put the aux in? But remembered my phone is not activated. It's in a box. So I guess I'll have to listen to the radio on the way home. And no GPS, but I know how to get home. Okay, so I am back home and now I'm going to unbox. So I'm going to start with the iPhone and then the MagSafe charger. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 128 gigabytes in the color gold. Here is the iPhone. It looks so good. It looks way bigger than what I imagined, and these square edges actually feel a lot easier to hold the phone. So the color gold kind of looks more like a beige color. It's not as gold as my 11 Pro Max was. So here they now have paper screen protectors instead of plastic, and if you look closely, they have just quick what each button does. So to turn your volume, power button, just a quick little iPhone tutorial. Stainless steel edges. They're already getting fingerprints, but they look so nice. And let me just put the iPhone aside and show you guys what's in the box, which isn't much. So as I'm sure you guys know, Apple is no longer including headphones or the charging brick. So all you get is your papers, which are a small square instead of the usual full-size papers. And you get your SIM card tool and an Apple sticker, which is actually not the same color as the phone, so I guess they're all just white stickers. And then you get your charging cable, which is going to be Lightning to USB-C. So sadly, no brick, no headphones, just your phone, cable, and an Apple sticker. So I'm going to power this on, and so the power button is lower than the other one. So on the old iPhones, it's a bit higher. So let me just power this on. Okay, so everything is good to go. It's setting up. Now let me unbox this nice MagSafe charger. So these new iPhone 12s have magnets in the back, and so MagSafe is going to be chargers, accessories, a bunch of things to stick to the back of your phone. So I'm super excited, even though this was pretty expensive. It was 40 bucks just for the cable, and then I have my own brick. So if you have to buy the brick, that's another $20, so it is pretty expensive. Oh gosh. Okay, so just some paperwork in here. And my MagSafe charger. I normally just tear things apart, and you guys always get onto me in the comments, so I'm trying to be gentle, but it's just easier to just tear it apart, honestly. Okay, let me be gentle with this part. Okay, Okay, let me see if it just sticks to the phone. I'm very curious about this. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Okay, I want to test how strong it is, but I'm very scared to drop it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, so it's hanging on there. And this is not a light phone at all. So this magnet seems like it's pretty strong. Okay, so I'm going to plug this into a brick and see what happens. And so I do have the 20-watt fast charging USB-C brick from my iPhone 11 Pro Max that I got last year. I also got one of these from my iPad, but if you do need to purchase them, I believe it is $20. Ooh, and that symbol comes up and it makes that cool noise. So let me finish setting up my phone. So that was the unboxing of my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color gold, 128 gigabytes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited to have this brand new phone. I'm about to slap on a case and screen protector. I'll link both of these down below. I'm also super excited for my MagSafe charger. I'm honestly shook at how strong this is. I was super worried to test this out, but guys, it's not going anywhere, knock on wood. So it's actually a pretty strong charger and I'm super excited to be able to use this. Of course, this is not as fast as just plugging in a cable, but it's still a better way to wirelessly charge than just your average charging pad because MagSafe. So I do want to apologize for this subpar setup. I'm moving soon and so my room right now is just crazy, but I promise you guys, just wait a couple of weeks and my videos are going to start improving. The quality, the backdrops, the content, the consistency, everything is going to improve. Just wait until I get into my own space and get all of this mess situated. So again, thank you for watching, subscribe down below, and also I have a giveaway going on right now. I'll link that video down below. I'm giving away a brand new pair, yes, brand new pair of Apple AirPods when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and go check out that video to see how to enter. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below what's your favorite iPhone. Are you getting the new one, the 12 mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max? Which one do you want to get and what is your favorite color? Comment down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.